Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error on your Windows, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So you have to click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will see Windows Update at the very bottom. So simply click on that and click this button right here. So we need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our operating system. In short, our Windows is updated. And once your Windows is updated, simply close out of here and then try to install the Visual Studio again, because once our Windows is updated, we rarely face an issue in our Windows. So try on that first. Try to update your Windows and then continue to install or try installing the Visual Studio again. For the next method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, Malwarebytes, or any known third-party antivirus softwares, then we can temporarily disable that because that might interrupt or block the process, the installation process. So you just have to click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. Here you can see if you are using any of the third-party antivirus softwares, they will appear right here. So as you can see, I'm using the Malwarebytes. You just have to simply make a right click and select the quit option, quit Malwarebytes. And after that, after you have disabled the third-party antivirus software, try installing the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is we can also run the System File Checker Scan or the SFC Scan in the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type in here CMD. You have to click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here in this elevated block window, you need to type the command SFC /scan now. Hit enter. So it's SFC /scan now, as you can see on the screen. So this will fix for all or any system corrupted files, check for any integrity violations. And while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize button and close the window. And once this is 100% completed, then you just need to simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, then try to install the Visual Studio again or continue with the installation process. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.